What? I was testing the suspension. What did you think I was doing? Okay, so today we're talking springs again, and this time we're looking at my 99 GTP, the coupe, and it actually has Eibach springs on it. Now, I'm sure all of you have heard of Eibach before. This is not a new company. This is not as obscure as those DNA eBay springs I had on the other car. But what is surprising about this is how they performed. I've used Eibach springs before. I had an SHO I helped work on that had Eibach springs on it. Most of them we never had any problems at all out of. So I am in no way inferring that Eibach is a bad company. But that's why I shelled out the extra money, paying, I think it was somewhere upwards of about $200 and some dollars, $30, $260, something like that, for those springs when I did this car. I was trying to go higher end with this one. And that was a name that I trusted because I had used them before. So, how did they work? Well, this is where the story starts to get a little odd. The spring rate on these springs, I will definitely say, is a little lower than the DNAs. These are definitely down in the range where you can use them with stock struts, which is what I have on this car right now, and not have any major issues. The car's not super bouncy or anything, so they're not that high. The fitment, however, on the front was good. It fit the perch, it lowered it about right, it looks fine, I don't mind the stance, no problems there. The rears, however, when I installed them and first lowered it down, if you look at the way it sits right now, it's pretty good, right? That's because I had to add spring spacers. When I put these things on and lowered this car down, it literally almost slammed the rear on the bump stops. I mean, a good probably inch or so lower than the front, which does not look good at all and didn't perform very well. Temporarily, because I haven't had a chance to do anything about it yet, I have spring spacers in the back because I do still need these cars drivable. I can't have them down for long periods of time right now because of my situation. But thanks to those, I have a workable stance. The car looks okay, but this is ridiculous for a name brand spring. Honestly, I was very disappointed in Eibach for this. I don't know how they did any R&D at all and wound up this off. I mean, the front's only a barely lower than stock and the rear on the ground. There's no excuse for this. I don't know how to explain it. Other than that, let's talk about the things we talked about on the last one. So we'll go ahead and go down the list and I'll rate them. Fitment, decent. Spring rate, okay for a stock car. Stance, awful, absolutely terrible. So if I had to rate these springs, if I were only rating the front half, I would have to say probably 8-ish, 9-ish, or if you wanted a slightly lowered stock car. If I had to rate the whole car, including the rear springs, like a 2. Would not buy again, absolutely. I would rather, and this is the bombshell, people, I would rather put the $75 eBay spring on this car than I would put Eibach in. Shocking? I think so. But that's it. It is what it is. I'm going to be changing these out, and I'll do videos about that as I go. Obviously, as some of you who follow me know, the problem child car has kept a lot of my money and time tied up lately. This has had to be the relief car while it was down, but it is pretty much back running. I'll let you guys know as I upgrade more of this, and we'll get the suspension straightened out. In the meantime, Eibach. No. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these, and if you've ever used any other springs or have any recommendations for what I should do to the suspension on this one. Drop me a like. That helps my channel. If you have subscribed but have not clicked the bell icon, please do, so that you'll know when I when I upload additional footage. And that's pretty much it, guys. I will see you next time. Bye!